Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP DeskJet plus Ink Advantage 6075 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and in search type HP DeskJet plus Ink Advantage 6075 driver download and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link and official website of the HP printer is open. HP DeskJet plus Ink Advantage 6075 printer. Okay, here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system and the bit. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows in operating system in a version. Select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit machine. If Windows 10 64-bit, select Windows 10 64-bit. I select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update and after that this page goes to refresh or this box goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down and here we find many options. Go to this option, installation, software and full basic driver supports print and scan functionality only. Expand it, click at here and here we find our setup file. Okay, click on this download button and it's redirect you to the another official website of the HP printer and at the top here we find our download is started and it's take few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. So be patient and wait for some times to download these drivers on our PC or laptop. Here we find our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. Basically, this setup file is a zip file and we are going to first unzip it. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it's extracting or unzipping our files to our PC or laptop and it's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for few seconds to completely and properly unzip these files on our PC. Okay, file is unzipped. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and if you find .4_001 HP printer device, HP printer, then select that. If you not find that's kind of the port, then next option is USB. Select any USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB, click on the next. Wait for a few seconds, click on have a disk, click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our folder. Double click on our folder. Here we find the driver. Double click on our driver. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same network or the same driver. Sorry. All file contains same drivers or printer drivers. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find HP DG. DG means DeskJet plus 6000 series printer and same with the PCL3. You can select any printer driver that you want this printer driver is support our printer name HP DeskJet 6075. Select any driver and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give 75. So I'm give my printer name HP DeskJet, DG means DeskJet plus 6075. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's install our printer on our PC or laptop in a few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer first option and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up on your screen, and in this printer list, if you find your printer name HPDG, DG means DeskJet plus 6075, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.